Let's talk about hands. So what do we do when we start losing collagen and we see veins and ligaments? They look skinny and they look old. I use Radiesse, which is a filler and a collagen stimulator. So it camouflages all and hides all the veins and ligaments. The biostimulator with collagen and elastin production, it improves superficial skin on the hands. Another treatment what we do for the hands is a Tixel. Tixel is a great collagen producer. It's also resurfacing the area, so any pigmentation we have and crepiness gets much better. It's good to use it after Radiesse, or if you don't have the problem where you see ligaments and veins, just for crepiness and pigmentation. Skinvive is hyaluronic acid, which is FDA approved for rejuvenation, for hydration of the skin. So we can use it on the hand as well.